So over here, you can see that I have a project, and here you can see that I got a wide range of work area right here. Let's say I just want to set it up till this area. Then what I can simply do is I can right click and I can set the scene duration to playhead. Once I do that, you can see that the scene duration has been contracted onto this particular area right here. So that's one option we can do with right clicking right here. You can also set the work area to start of playhead right here or end of playhead as well. Let me just go ahead and press Ctrl Z right here. So if I were to go here and let's say I just want the work area to start from here, I'm going to right click. I'm going to say set work area to start of playhead, and over here I can also go beyond the work area and right click and set the work area to the end of playhead to increase it out as well, just like this, as you can see. So these are the many options that we have right here. We also have an option to go to the work area start right here. So it goes to the start, as you can see that once I do that, and if I were to click here, it goes to the end. The cursor goes to the end of the scene. So that is how you can set scene duration to playhead, and work area set options are available when you right click right here, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.